Minista Peter Ogwang yatandukana no kwigura ekyombeko cy'itendekero okuherezayo mu butongore basi yabaheirwe ekitongore ky'ebyobwegyese kandi nukona no kurambura ishomero na n'emirimo erikukorwa omu mwanya ogwo.
The Minister of Education and Sports, allow me officially hand over this bus to the health institution here in Ntungamo, and I want to officially launch.
Arukugamba ha mukoro gwo kujweka Abashaho ahari Ntungamo College School of Nursing and Midwifery omuri Ntungamo aho abeegi 72 bajwara. Minista Ogwang yashobora ngo abashomesa bashemereire kutorana abaana abakozire gye kandi barikubasa eby'obushaho.
Today, which we must be concerned about. This profession is not for failures. I repeat, this profession is not for failures. Help the country and pick children who have passed, because it's about our lives.
I'm going to advertise in January and February. At least I'm going to take 13 of you. First help our own. And we are going to do it, and we are going to do it. Whether I'm here or not, it is in our plan.
Yayongera yashobora ngo Abashaho no murimo gurkwetenga obukugu ahamwe na no kumanya kutari kujinjira.
Now we must all stand together and begin to focus. Rather have few but quality than having many, which is quantity, which becomes destructive to our lives as a nation. We rather have 10 but give the best, and out of the 10 you will remember Ntungamo College produces the best.
Substantive appointed, and a few of these are tutors who carry the key function of training. This leaves a staffing gap of 73%. We therefore request for this to be handled so that we are able to run the institution properly.
Minista Ogwang yayongera yahiga abanya-Uganda okurekeraho kujoga emirimo kandi barekeraho kwesiga bashomere byonka.
My dear children, my dear brothers here, in life you have to sacrifice. I am happy today I'm going to award a certificate and a diploma. But with due respect, it's not the end of life, it's the beginning. Don't be comfortable. Stop looking at what your father and mother has. Please work for your own. Stop despising jobs.
I want to bring it to your attention that in my constituency I have 9 sub-counties. Yes, good, you are right. Now, out of 9 sub-counties, only 4 have a senior secondary school. So I need secondary schools for the other 5 sub-counties.
Aha mukorogu mukuru w'ishomero Wilbert Kamuhawa yasima government abo kushagika ishomero ryabo nuko kworeka bimwe aha bintu ebikiri kubura mu ishomero eri kuzaha mutindo.
It have been there. They include limited infrastructure for hostels, for staff accommodation, for a proper administration block with different offices for staff. We have skills lab, library, all these things, guest of honor, they are detailed in that speech.
Gasha kwa Samuel Ahumuzo muri Ntungamo.